In this video, I'll show you how to get instant insights with Plotyx AI. In your dashboard, click the Ask Why menu and open the AI Assistant. In the Ask Why menu, you can choose between Insights or Chat. In Insights, you'll see an overview of your dashboard based on the date range you've selected. With Chat, you can type any question about your data. It's like having your own personal marketing data analyst. For best results, be specific and mention the data source, time frame, and metrics so the AI has the right context. To go deeper with your analysis, you can also select a table or chart. This gives you a visual asset you can use in meetings or presentations. You can also access the AI Assistant through the main menu. Select a brand, go straight to chat, and ask any question about your account. It's easy. Just ask why.